everyone, what's up? Welcome to another video from Drones, Flights, and Reviews. Hi, my name's Eric, and today I'm out here in my backyard. It's 34 degrees, and I'm going to be doing a video test with this little nano drone in my hands called the X-Pac 2. I'll just put a quick card in the corner of the screen of a review that I actually did of this guy in case you want to learn more about it. But pretty much it's this super little nano drone with a teeny tiny little camera on the front. And it's a 480p camera. I forgot to mention that in the review of it. And I just want to see what it looks like out in my backyard here. So hey guys, let's get this set up and we'll take it out. So let's go. So then right after that intro, I just took it up and here is what the 480p on the little camera looks like. So then after that video test, I pretty much just decided to lay it on my hand just for fun. Well, anyway guys, thanks for watching that video, and I hope you liked it. And yeah, so that was just a quick video on the 480p quality of that little nano drone. So anyway guys, I'll hopefully post soon, but with school, you know, it gets kind of busy. So anyway guys, catch you in my next video. See ya!